welcome back to C. Marcus's channel. Today, C. Marcus is watering, but what is this?
Asparagus.
We will, in the comments, but well done for C. Marcus for getting to 1K.
And strawberries.
The strawberries are...
And then also in the greenhouse.
Strawberries are not out yet, but they will be coming out soon. Shall I show the greenhouse?
Yeah, you can show the greenhouse.
This is the greenhouse. I will just go inside. No. So here we have some grapevines, and here's some herbs. I think they're herbs. Some tomatoes here, and some nice plants, vegetables, and plants there. Plants here, raspberries. What?
You need to see about the Swiss chard.
The Swiss chard is very delicious, isn't it? It's very delicious, nice. How long do we get it? A year?
Yes, it can.
All year round.
That was last year.
This is last year's, and it's lasted 1 year.
And it survived during winter.
And it survived during winter as well. Look at all these raspberries. And now, C. Marcus will finish doing the watering, and
I'm gonna water
peace
it.
out.